Welcome to Caltech Buddy. Press right and solve faster. Let's go! Calculator techniques or two unknowns, two equations. Tara! First, we define algebraic equation. It is a mathematical statement that shows two expressions are equal. It contains one or more variables, usually x, y, and z, and then meron itong equal sign para maging equation. So for example, we have 7x plus 11 equals 32. So this is an algebraic equation. Now yung variable natin dito x, yung number katabi ng variable, ang tawag natin dyan is coefficient. Then again, yung x is the variable in this item. Yung plus is just the operator na ginawa sa algebraic equation. And yung number na walang kasamang variable, that is what we call constant. Okay, so this is the basic parts ng algebraic equation. Ang possible question dito is solve for the unknown. In this scenario, we want to calculate x kasi yan yung unknown variable. Now, naturo naman ni Caltech Buddy na kapag meron tayong one unknown, one equation, just like this, pwede natin gamitin yung shift solve. Yung pinaka-basic solution, shift solve. So, ang gagawin natin, we input the original equation, 7x plus 11 equals 32. And then press shift solve. Shift solve. Ang tatanong yan ng value for x. Since linear naman ito, any value is okay. Example 0. Then ika-calculate niya yung value ni x. So, ang lalabas na sagot dito is 3. So, napaka-simple ng solution if we have one unknown, one equation. Now, punta tayo sa main topic natin. Ang main Caltech natin for today is for two unknowns, two equation. So, tuturo ni Caltech Buddy kung paano magagamit yung Canon F789 SGA version 2 and also applicable sa version 1 in calculating two unknowns, two equation. So, bibigyan tayo ng dalawang equations. Kailangan tama yung format nila para gumana yung calculator technique. Ang format natin will be like this. So, you have ax plus by equals constant. So, two equations yung ibibigay sa atin. So, if you want two unknowns, kailangan natin dyan two equations para masagutan. Okay. So, para masagutan natin yung two unknowns equation, we just press mode 5.1. So, press mode. And then, makikita nyo naman, you have your equation, which is 5. And then, since two unknowns to equation tayo, we press 1. So, basically, mode 5.1. Now, pag pinindot natin yan, so mode 5.1, ito yung mangyayari sa display ni calculator. You just input the coefficients and the constant. So, kailangan lang talaga correct yung format para hindi tayo magkamali sa sign convention. So, ini-input lang yon. So, lagay niyo lang yung mga coefficients and constant correctly. Nalagay na natin yan easily. Ibibigay niya yung value for x and y that will satisfy the given equation. Kapag two unknowns to equation, simply mode 5.1. Okay. Lagyan natin ng sample. Solve for x and y in these following equations. 2x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. And 5x minus 2y equals 1. Now, you have two unknowns and then you have two equations, meaning to say, solvable. Pero kailangan correct yung format. So, we will just press mode 5.1. Mode 5.1. So, babalik tayo dito. And then, observe the format. Kailangan constant on the right side. If you will look in your first equation, yung constant wala pa sa right side. So, ita-transfer natin sa kabilang side. So, magiging positive 12. So, 2x plus 3y equals 12. So, kailangan talaga constant on the right side. Second equation, the format is correct. So, basically, as is. So, naka-format na yung equations natin correctly. Just input the coefficients. So, you have 2, 3, and then 12. Second equation, you have 5, negative 2, and then 1. Okay, wag lang kalimutan yung sign, ha? Kasama yung sign sa pag-input. So, we input it on our calculator. 2, 3, 12, and then 5, negative 2, then 1. Instantly, isa-solve na ni calculator yung x and y for the two equations na given. So, press equal sign. Yung x is 27/19. And then yung y is 58/19. So, makikita natin, easily, we'll get the values for x and y. So, sobrang dali if you know how to use your calculator. Okay, next. One of the applications ng calculator technique natin is the intersection of two lines. Typical scenario yan sa pagsasolve ng analytic geometry. So, magbibigay ng two lines, tatanungin yung intersection point. So, pasok siya sa two unknowns, two equation. Kasi, two lines, so magkakaroon tayo ng two equations, and then the intersection point, yun yung common nila sa x and y. So, gagamitan niya lang talaga ng Caltech ang intersection of two lines. So, still, mode 5.1, mode 5.1. Check the format. Kailangan ax plus by equals constant. Pan-checking, constant on the right side. So, this is correct. And then just input the coefficients. So, you have 2, 3, 12. And then you have 1, negative 1, and then 1. So, you just need to input data correctly. 2, 3, 12, and then 1, negative 1, then 1. So, easily makupan natin yung value ng x and y. In this scenario, it is 3, and then 2. Since intersection point nga yung tinatanong dito, ordered pair yan, so ang sagot natin should be a point 3, 2. So, that's the intersection point of the two lines erect. Calculator techniques for 3 unknowns, 3 equations. Also, gagamitin din natin si CalQ para mag-solve ng 4 unknowns, 4 equations. Tara! Okay, let's start with the recall ng solution sa 1 unknown, 1 equation. So, every time you encounter a problem na 1 equation, 1 unknown, that's very basic, gamitin niyo lang shift solve. Okay? Lalagay niyo lang yung original equation sa calculator, and then just press shift solve. So, solve na niya yung 1 unknown, 1 equation. Kapag naman 2 unknowns, 2 equations, in the recent video, masasolve natin yan using mode 5.1. So, that's 2 unknowns, 2 equation. So, paano siya pinipindot? Kailangan lang correct yung format. So, ang format natin dyan is ax plus by equals constant, ax plus by equals constant. So, kailangan talaga 2 equations yung involved. So, we want to calculate 2 unknowns. So, pipindutin nyo lang yung mode 5.1. So, mag-activate yung equation. Then 1 para sa 2 unknowns equation. And you just need to input the coefficients. Kailangan na correct yung format talaga, no? So, that's the solution. Now, proceed naman tayo sa main topic today, which is 3 unknowns, 3 equation. So, technically, makikita nyo na rin po sa calculator. So, kapag 2 unknowns, 2 equation, mode 5.1. Kapag 3 unknowns, 3 equations, mode 5.2. So, i-level up nila. So, mode 5.2. So, kailangan lang correct yung format natin para gumana yung Caltech. So, the format is ax plus by plus cz equals d. Yung d is the constant. Okay? So, kailangan you have 3 equations para makapag-solve tayo ng 3 unknowns. Again, constant on the right side of the equation. So, mode 5.2 para makapag-solve ng 3 unknowns, 3 equation. I-guide naman kayo ni calculator pag nakalimutan niyo yung pipindutin. Kailangan lang hanapin yung equation and then 3 unknowns. Mode 5.2. So, tulad kanina, you just need to input your data correctly sa calculator para mag-activate siya ng tama. Let's have an example para mas maintindihan natin. Solve for the values of x, y, z given these 3 equation. If isa-solve natin to manually, I am very sure mahirapan tayo dito. Kasi 3 unknowns, 3 equation yan. Now, ang pinaka-best way talaga dito is gumamit ng Caltech. gamitin natin si Canon F789 SGA version 2. Siyempre, applicable din sa version 1. So, always maximize your calculator. So, we press mode 5, 2, para sa 3 unknowns equations. And then, the constant should be on the right side. In this case, nasa right side na yung constant. So, diretso lang talaga. And then, just input the coefficients correctly. In the first equation, you have 7, 5, negative 3, and 16. Second equation is 3, negative 5, 2, negative 8. And the third equation is 5, 3, negative 7, and 0. So you need to input those data correctly. Now, i-input na lang natin ito sa ating calculator. So again, mag-ingat lang sa pag-input sa calcu. 7, 5, negative 3, 16. 3, negative 5, 2, negative 8. Lastly, 5, 3, negative 7, then 0. Okay, so instantly, si Calcu na yung magsusolve for us simultaneously of the 3 unknowns dito sa ating 3 equations. So easily makukuha na natin yung values for x, y, and z. So the values are 1, 3, and 2. So ang dali lang, no? So 1, 3, and 2. So gumagana yung caltech natin for as long you have 3 unknowns, 3 equations. Okay? Now, i-level up na natin yan kasi same lang naman yung principle behind it. Paano mag-solve ng 4 unknowns, 4 equation? So dito lamang si Canon F789 SGA. Kasi sa ibang calculator, hanggang 3 unknowns, 3 equations lang sila. So ito, capable siya sa 4 unknowns, 4 equation. Also known as quartic equation. Okay? So, mode 5.3 naman siya. And again, you need to follow this format. So, bibigyan ka ng 4 equations kasi you have 4 unknowns. So, the format is lahat ng may variable sa left side, yung constant should be on the right side. So, mode 5, 4 unknowns for equation, 3. So, mode 5. So, pipindutin nyo lang talaga yung mga coefficients and constant correctly. And then, magbibigay yan ng 4 results kasi nga 4 unknowns for equation ito. Okay, so let's have an example para ma-appreciate natin kung gaano kaganda yung caltech natin sa pagsasolve ng 4 unknowns for equations. Okay, let's try this. Again, if we will do it manually, this is very difficult. Hirap talaga yan. Pero using calculator, mabilis lang siyang sasagutan. Mag-input lang tayo correctly. Okay, so mode 5.3, the inputs are the first equation, 1, 1, 1, 1, 15. Second equation, 2, negative 1, 1, 2, 20. Third equation, 1, 2, 3, negative 1, 13. And lastly, negative 1, 1, 1, 1, then 9. So mag-ingat lang talaga sa pagkuha ng data at pagpindot sa calcu. Let's do it. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 15. Then you have 2, negative 1, 1, 2, 20. Then you have 1, 2, 3, negative 1, 13. And finally, you have negative 1, 1, 1, 1, and lastly, 9. Okay? So if you input your data correctly, instantly, makuha na natin yung 4 na unknowns, which is W, X, Y, and Z. So yung W natin is 3, yung X is 2, Y is 4, and lastly, yung Z is 6. This is a difficult problem kung sakaling hindi tayo gagamit ng calculator technique. Again, I'm hoping marami tayo natutunan. This is your Caltech buddy. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions or clarifications on anything we discussed, feel free to leave a comment and we'll be happy to respond. To God be the glory. This is your CalTech buddy. Math made easy with shortcuts, tips, and calculator techniques. Bye!